Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael over at WeBe Autos. We have a very special car today. 1982 Corvette with 25,000 original miles. And it shows. Got Jim here, the owner. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. Good morning, Jim. How you doing?
I'm great, Mike. How are you?
Great. So what do we got? Cool car, man.
Two-tone, gray and silver, 82 Corvette.
Yep.
All the bells and whistles.
Yeah, power windows, automatic.
Windows, locks, tilt, cruise, automatic, lock,
mirrors.
Mirrors, the whole deal.
Mm-hmm.
25 original,
1,000 miles.
25,000 original miles, like Michael said.
You got the tops too. Mirror T-tops.
Yep, mirror T-tops.
The wheels are gorgeous.
Are not curved one bit.
Yeah, the clear always comes off those.
Clear's not off of them.
Beautiful. Very
everything
special.
works. Air blows cold.
Beautiful.
Just a nice old car.
It really is. Real crispy all around. Looks like it had one repaint. Paint shows very, very well. Tires are real nice. Plenty of tread. Interior is beautiful. I love silver. It's like one of my favorite combinations. AM/FM cassette. Dash is gorgeous. Power windows.
No nicer 82, I don't think.
Power locks too. It's loaded up. This is a great car for the money. Guys, if you're looking for like a car to get you in the hobby, this is it. 25,000 miles. Super reasonable price. Beautiful. Power seat too.
Power seat.
25,833. Sounds nice, Jim.
Runs just as nice.
It's cool, man. Love the old school digital clock. All correct under here. You even got the original smog pump.
The only thing I know that's not original is the alternator.
Yep. Everything else looks correct though. All the right stickers. Even the lamp under the hood works. You never see that. So cool.
It's nice on the list at 82 Corvette.
Really is. Can you turn the lights on? Headlights? Look at that. And back down again. Like magic. Alright guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, it's Michael from WeBe Autos. Jim, thank you so much for showing us your car today.
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome. Guys, if you have any questions, give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, details, and information on our website. It's at webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.